Hey guys, T here. Today I want to make a Swedish torch or a Swedish stove. You need only two things: a big hunk of wood and a big old drill, and about 10 minutes. So this is going to be a real quickie today. With this Swedish stove, you can cook breakfast outside. You can cook a burger. You can do all kinds of quick cooking on this thing. It sort of consumes itself and provides its own fuel. So please subscribe if you will. Hit the bell for notification, and let's get cooking. So let's test our Swedish torch out. We got, of course, matches and some little kindling. We got some larger pieces of kindling here, which maybe we'll shove down in the top. I don't know. Let's try it out. So not bad. It's not Swedish pancakes, but it looks like a good fried egg breakfast sandwich. Nicely cooked. Good job, T. Mm-hmm. Mm. Boy, this is good. So I encourage you guys to try this. I don't know exactly what to call it. I've heard it called a Swedish stove, a Swedish rocket stove, a Swedish torch, a torch. Anyway, it works great, and it's self-consuming, so you don't have to keep feeding it. So subscribe if you will, guys. Hit the bell to get some notification. Happy breakfast. See you soon.